In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post in Microsoft Teams. This is a great feature that helps ensure important information is easily accessible to everyone in your community. Pinning posts can be particularly useful in keeping key announcements or discussions front and center, so no one misses out on valuable details. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, make sure you are logged into your Microsoft Teams account. Once you're in, you will need to navigate to the Communities section. This is where all of your group interactions take place, and you'll find the variety of posts shared by team members. If you're unsure about where to find Communities, it's generally located on the sidebar or top navigation menu, so just have a look around until you spot it. Now that you've located Communities, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the space where all recent activities and posts are listed. Browse through the posts to find the one you wish to pin for everyone. As you hover over each post, you'll notice a small icon with 3 dots appearing on the right-hand side. This icon represents more options available for that particular post. Once you've found the post you want to highlight, move your mouse over the 3-dot icon and give it a click. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to that post. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Pin for Everyone. This is the magic button we are looking for that will keep this post front and center for everyone within the community. Click on Pin for Everyone. By doing this, you're essentially pinning this post to the top of the community board. This means every time a member visits this community, the pinned post will appear first, ensuring that it garners the attention it deserves. It's a simple yet highly effective way to communicate vital information without the hassle of repeatedly sending reminders or separate messages. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. You have successfully pinned a post in Microsoft Teams. This action will help your community stay organized and informed, so always consider using it for announcements, key resources, or important updates that everyone needs to see. Remember, pinning posts can be undone whenever you want. If the information becomes outdated or you're ready to replace it with something else, simply revisit the post, click the 3-dot icon, and select the option to unpin it. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully this guide has been helpful, and you'll find this feature a handy addition to your team's toolkit. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and making the most of Microsoft Teams.